Hey, how are you? Good morning. How's everyone doing? I like corned beef hash. There's two diners where I live. Many moons ago, me and Jay used to go to diners a lot more than usual. No reason why it stopped. And I used to order 2 eggs any style with hash, corned beef hash. And then when that came, that looked like dog food. And Jay could contest to that. He looked at it and he says, "No, no, that's not the right hash." Da, 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 da. So then I started going to another diner closer to the house. And when that came out, that was literal corned beef or brisket chopped with everything else. That was good. Or is still good. Was actually there last week. And it must be some brisket or corned beef, or probably just corned beef, and they probably cut a chunk off of it when it's cooked. And when you order it, go to the fridge. You hope they go to the fridge. Take out a handful and throw it down on the skillet and make your shit with it. So this is why I found this can in the store while Christmas shopping, and you know, I just want to see how it actually turns out. It looks very bad for you. 690 calories, 17 grams of saturated fat, 2,350 milligrams of sodium, and 2 grams of total sugars. Why would you put that on the can? When you put this stuff on the can, aren't you supposed to like represent something like good health? Like the back is something you have to do, but not the front. So this is 1 cup, and this is per container. So we're gonna cook the whole container. You could just take a quick glance at that, hit pause. This is a bad number. Sodium makes up 102%. Let's see, I'll tell you what's in here. Corned beef, cured with salts, sugars, sodium nitrate. Rehydrated, not dehydrated. Rehydrated potatoes. Water, partially defatted chopped beef. Contains less than 2% of gum arpapata. Natural flavors. Right. So they want me to spread the hash evenly in a heavy, unheated skillet. Then they want me to heat over a medium heat until brown and crispy, stirring it occasionally. So evenly in a heavy, unheated skillet. Like how much? Oh, we'll see what that looks like. Beefy! It slid right out. Like, here's inside. We're not gonna, I'm not putting it in a deep dish. I can't even. Oh, that just looks like surmush. Well, I picked a big frying pan. It's basically taco meat from Taco Bell. Okay, medium heat. High goes to 10, so 5 would be medium. So we'll just shoot it to 6. We'll double check what the can said. Spread the hash evenly and heat over medium until brown, and occasionally brown and crispy. Stir occasionally. Yippity, skippity. It's like a nice beef patty. That's gonna taste delicious.
Why don't you make your eggs?
It's gonna taste beautiful. Let that chooch come back when it's sizzling. All right, it's getting spicy in here. So I know in the South, grits is very popular, and it still is. And we're talking like homemade grits. So I don't think this is a New York thing. Could be. I never Googled it. You know, corned beef hash. What it does sound like at some point in the turn of the century, food was never a waste. You ate everything, or you made soups, or you made whatever. So this could have been derivative from like, oh, we have extra meat, we have extra potatoes, kind of like one of those potluck things. And then on a Sunday, well, Tuesday, whatever, you're like, oh, we could only make what's left. Throw in the deer, the buffalo, and the bison. And then next thing you know, after a while, so why don't we just call it corned beef? Because it's corned. Well, I still have the COVID. So I can't smell and taste. So everyone in the house says this smells like poo. Yeah, P.U. You think this is a dog. P.U. Yeah. It's about as good as cat food can be. I mean, if you cook cat food, you know, maybe Jay will sacrifice some fancy feast and put it in his frying pan. It's like a patty. You know, you can make like a beef patty. Yummy!
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands. Oof. They said it smells. What does it smell like? Like bad meat?
Like dog food. Canned dog food. Wash your
I'm
hands
just
together.
gonna have a couple of pieces, but I'm probably throwing out. I'll probably just eat like that much, but I just thought it'd be funny to chooch up some corned beef hash there, Slim. So
No, I'll do.
what you do is take some extra meat from your Jewish holiday, get some gefilte fish and some halal tatas, and then you put on your stupid. Wow. What's happened? You clean your hands? That's delicious. What is it? This is not Layla's food. She probably should just feed it to the dog. There's so much sodium.
What are you trying to do?
It's gotta be brown. Brown to my liking. It's going to be brown to my liking. So we're gonna whack this up a little bit. Got some 3 egg whites. We're gonna put some hash in the egg whites. Make a little hash omelet. We're gonna do some hash omelet. That should be good. The rest of this is pretty good. It'll dry out once it gets too hot. I think this is presentable. So we'll try it. I'm not gonna bore you anymore. Still hot. Again, can't taste it, but you know, they're not bad. Maybe we should get someone who knows how to taste it. That's gonna wrap this up. Corned beef hash.